How to close or cancel your Target REDcard account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can close or cancel Target account or Target card account quickly. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you could call the Target support. So open up Google in your device, head over to search bar, then search for Target support number. After that, you could directly copy this number here, or you could directly make a call. So once you make a call to this number or to the Target support, you could tell the representative that you want to close your account permanently and request for confirmation. Now after the call, you have to check your account online and then wait for the return confirmation. Make sure that your account status says closed per customer request. And also make sure that you pay all of your remaining balance. Do not forget, if you have a balance, you will need to pay it with off even after closing. So for debit or reloadable cards, make sure that your balance is zero before you close your account. And after that, finally, you can destroy your physical card and your digital card to avoid any future accidental use. And that's it. That's how you can close your Target REDcard account the right way. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.